Good day, students. You are with your mathematics teacher online, Mr. Ochola Humphrey C. Well, you must have gone through this lesson. If you have not subscribed, do remember to subscribe to our channel. It is time for mathematics, and the topic we are looking at today is simplification of algebraic expressions with brackets. Simplification of algebraic expressions with brackets. Unlike algebraic expressions without brackets, when algebraic expressions are enclosed in a bracket, there is order of operations. There is order of operations. Now we look at multiplying and dividing algebraic terms. In multiplying and dividing algebraic terms, numbers are multiplied and divided by numbers, while letters are multiplied and divided by letters. What this implies is that you multiply numbers with numbers or divide numbers with numbers. And when it comes to letters, you multiply letters with letters and divide letters with letters. Example 1. Simplify A, 5AB times 3XB. B, 36x raised to the power 2b divided by 6xb. Solutions. A, 5ab times 3xb. Here you have to multiply number by number and multiply letters by letters. Therefore, we have 5 times 3 times A times B times B times x, which gives us 15ab squared x. B, 36x raised to the power 2 or squared b all over 6xb. Here we divide numbers by numbers and divide letters by letters. We have 36 divided by 6 times x times b divided by x times b. 6 will divide 36 to give you 6. X down will cancel one x up, remaining one x up. B down will cancel the b up. There's no other b, so you are left with x. You now have 6x. 6x. The next is order of operations. As I told you earlier, that when there is brackets, there is a good order of operations that has to be observed, that has to be adhered to. To avoid confusion in operations, the following order of operations should be observed. 1. If there are no brackets in arithmetic or algebraic expressions, perform multiplication or division before addition or subtraction. That is the first order. The second order is, if the expressions have brackets, perform the operations enclosed by brackets first. We can use this acronym, BODMAS, standing for bracket of division, multiplication, addition, then subtraction. This is used with simplifying operations with brackets. Example 2. Simplify A, 8 times 3 minus 5 plus 12 divided by 4. B, 3 times 2y minus bracket open 5y minus 2y bracket close times 4. Solutions. A, 8 times 3 minus 5 plus 12 divided by 4. We have to bracket the multiplication and division as earlier instructed. You now have equals 8 times 3 in the bracket, that is bracket open 8 times 3 bracket close minus 5 plus bracket open 12 divided by 4 bracket close. We now have that 8 times 3 is 24, then the minus 5, you bring it down, 12 divided by 4 gives you 3, you bring it down, so we are now left with 24 minus 5 plus 3, which gives us 22. B, 3 times 2y minus bracket open 5y minus 2y bracket close times 4 equals, you enclose 3 times 2y in a bracket, then minus, if you go up you see 5y minus 2y, the result is 3y, then you multiply it by 4. Then if you multiply it by 4, we now come down and have 3 times 2y gives us 6y minus the other bracket 3y times 4 gives us 12y. We now have 6y minus 12y, which gives us minus 6y, because 6 minus 12 is minus 6. The next is removing brackets. In removing brackets, we should do the following. We should observe the following rules. 1. Manipulate directed numbers. Directed numbers are numbers that is positive and negative numbers. You have to manipulate that accordingly. Number 2. Simplify the terms inside the bracket first. Where simplification is not possible, that means where you cannot simplify the expression inside the bracket, you have to remove brackets. That is the option. Example 3. Simplify 17b plus bracket open 7b minus 9c bracket close. Solution: 17b plus bracket open 7b minus 9c bracket close. You see that in the brackets, that is 7b minus 9c, because there are different terms, you can't simplify. What you have to do is to remove the brackets. So we now have equals 17b plus times 7b, we have plus 7b. Then plus times minus 9c, we have minus 9c, because plus times minus gives us minus. You understand? When you put a good egg in a basket or in a plate and put a bad egg, you see that the whole egg will be smelling. That's to tell you that plus times minus is a negative. That's minus. You go to the next line. When you now simplify, you have 24b minus 9c. Example 4. Evaluate A. 2p minus bracket open 5p minus 3 bracket close. B. Bracket open 3m minus 9n bracket close minus bracket open 4m minus 7n bracket close. Solutions: A. 2p minus bracket open 5p minus 3 bracket close. We now remove the bracket where bracket is being enclosed. We have equal to 2p minus 5p, because minus times 5p will give us 5p. Then we have 3 plus 3p. 3, we have plus 3, because minus times minus will give us plus. The next line is equal to minus 3p plus 3, or 3 minus 3p. You just rearrange it, but it's just the same answer. B. Bracket open 3n minus 9 bracket close minus bracket open 4n minus 7n bracket close equals 3n minus n. Then you now remove the bracket. In the second bracket, we have minus times 4m will give us minus 4m, minus times minus 7n will give us plus 7n equals 3m minus 4m, because if you collect them together, you have 3m minus 4m minus n plus 7n. Here we have 3m minus 4m will give us minus n, because 3 minus 4 will give us a negative 1, that is minus 1. We come to n, minus n plus 7n. That means somebody is owing you 1 naira and comes to pay you and now gives you 7 naira. The person has given you excess money, that is 6 naira. So minus n plus 7n will give you plus 6. So we now have minus n plus 6n, which is also the same thing as 6n minus n. Before you is the exercise. So you have to do the exercise and submit to me. I'm still online with you. Thank you very much.